Meaning of frock coat.
Frock coat.
Frock coat.
Frock coat.
Frock coat. A frock coat is a type of long jacket that was popular during the Victorian and Edwardian eras. It typically has a fitted bodice, flared skirt, and a high collar. The length of the coat can vary, but it often extends to the knee or lower. Originally worn as formal attire, the frock coat became more casual in the 19th century and was often worn by businessmen and politicians. Today, the frock coat is usually only seen in period dramas or as part of certain formal or historical dress codes.